Okay, and it's recording. So I will be showing you guys how to make a virtual machine. This is hopefully going to be a very short episode, so you're going to want to go into your Hyper-V manager. If you don't have Hyper-V enabled, go onto my channel. There'll be a longer video explaining how to get that done. So next, name. I'm just going to name it test. You guys can name it whatever you want. Generation 2. The ISO we will be using is a 64-bit. So Generation 2 is recommended, but you can also use Generation 1. Assign memory. I've got quite a bit of memory, so I don't mind giving it 4 gigabytes. But you guys can give it as much as you want or as little as you want, as long as it's like a decent amount. Now, connection. I would recommend starting off with not connected and then going to default switch. You can start with default switch if you really want to. I wouldn't recommend it. Next, create virtual hard disk. Do not leave it this big unless you want a virtual computer that big. I would recommend 20. Okay, I'd recommend 20. Next, install operating system, image file ISO, and then you see that? See that? Boom. Next. Finish. Spam. F2. Just like that. There you go.